Greetings and salutations, YouTubers here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Today I am cleaning up around the house. I actually, mom's flowers that I got her for her birthday, they finally died. So I just threw them out. I washed the container, and I have my trusty faux hydrangeas right here that I think I want to put on the table. But I think I want to switch out this tray for this one and put that tray somewhere else. I actually think I'm going to move it next to, there's like a little, the pool cleaner is possessed. Okay, yeah, every time it goes out, like out of the pool and sucks in water, it makes that slurping sound. But I'm actually going to put this guy somewhere else. I actually think I'm gonna move him. I'll show you guys where I'm gonna move him to. Right next to the bathroom. I think it'll be really nice right under here and have like a nice tray right there instead of this one's really nice too, but I think it's time to switch it. I think this would also go better with the mirror. So let's switch it out. I already think it's so much better with this being here. I'm just gonna move out all this other stuff. Also, this is like a photo of me when I was little. Oh my gosh, look at me. Love that sweater. I also need, I'm like a hot mess filming right now. I need to move out this stuff. All this rubbing alcohol needs to get moved. Yeah, I feel like that's looking way better. I know the flowers are just a little intense. I actually used to not have flowers in this, but I put this in here. That's way better, huh? Okay. I want like something like really, like I want like a branch inside that one, but I don't have anything right now is the only thing. I'm gonna have to look for something. Anyway, that's my thrifted mirror. All these other things on here are thrifted as well, with the exception of the tray, which I believe we got at the Pottery Barn outlet a few years ago. But I just love this little nook. Also, I'm taking advantage of the warmth today. It's supposed to be really cold. Well, not really cold, but it's supposed to be like in the 50s and 60s next week. And it's supposed to start raining. So I have like all the doors open. I'm loving this table so much. It makes me so happy. It's so bright and colorful. I just want to change up the decor in the house, which is kind of what I'm trying to work up to right now. But I'm just trying to switch out some stuff at the moment. Excuse the mess on here, but I was looking at my marble slab, and I feel like it might actually fit in the middle of this, which I think would be fabulous to have the inside of this be marble. So we're going to try it out, because then I can put this there. Okay, it didn't fit, but it did this, which is pretty fabulous because now it looks like a really cool like pedestal. I would put it upside down, obviously, so that would be more stable. Let's see how that looks upside down, and then we're gonna try and put it right there because I feel like that would be a cool spot to put this. Ooh, I'm kind of loving it. It looks really cool. I can use this for so many things. Even if I just wanted to use it as like a cake pedestal or something, that would be so cool. So not only is it just a tray, but you can also use it as a pedestal with just a cool little marble slab on top. But now that I have everything off, I'm going to take this as a great opportunity to wash that slab. So I've been cleaning around the house and I found my cake stand, which is so super cute. It totally goes with my table. So I have to figure out a place to put it, but it's like the perfect match. I'm so excited. You guys, look how cute it looks. I'm very excited. I don't know if I'm going to leave it there forever on top of the slab, but I really like it. I might actually move it over to the other side because I feel like I need a little pop of color over there, but very excited that I found it. Hey guys, quick update. I got a plant in the sink, watering it up. Just letting the water like drip out naturally from the bottom. I pretty much cleaned up right here. I'm still gonna like change out the pillows and stuff, but I just decluttered the like that back thing. I know it probably still looks like there's a lot of stuff, but oh, I like it like this. But I put my flowers right there. I flanked it with the giant candle and then some extra plates. Those are my Easter plates, and then I just got those new Pottery Barn Great White plates over there. So I did that. I kind of cleaned off the counter Still trying to put some stuff away. Still gonna put this stuff away. The kids' stuff is right there. Some more stuff to put away back there. But it's been really nice being at home just cleaning, because John and Mom went to the grocery store. Eliza and my sister are upstairs, and I'm just downstairs enjoying this really nice breeze. The temperature is beautiful, except we had a little crisis because a bee flew in here, but I think it's gone now because I don't know where it went. Alright guys, so I just moved the plant that was right here, and it is now up there. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it just looks a little short because it's such a super tall area. And then I moved the fig up there, which I might actually move back here. I'm not 100% certain. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I feel like it just looks a little wonky right there in the stairway, and I feel like it might be getting too much sun if I leave it there, but I don't know, we'll see. But I actually wanted to put this plant right up here because I wanted to see all the leaves kind of like trailing down. I think that would be really pretty, so I don't know, let's try it out. Alright guys, there's the plant. The vines literally go all the way to the bottom. I think I'm gonna have to prune it a little bit, and I think I want to prune it up to like right here, and then I'll just put the vines in some water and help them propagate, and we'll grow some more plants. So yay, I love this plant so much. It grows so quickly and so intensely. I feel like it's been getting a little too much sun over there recently, so I'm moving it over here. Alright, my kitchen is messy again because John and Mom came home with groceries, but they also came home with In-N-Out, so I'm very excited.
Lots of yumminess.
So Mom just made some delicious pasta. She's adding some cheese.
Alfredo pasta.
Oh, it's so good.
And we're going to make some bruschetta.
Bruschetta.
And salad.
Yummy. It's gonna be a good dinner tonight. Okay, so I just put the plant back because I didn't like it in the spot that I put it in. But I left that up there. We'll see how it's doing because that spot over there really is too sunny for it. But I really want it to be able to like extend its like tendrils going down. And there's these kids. Kay just got home from school. And now I need to do something right here. I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna set something up. I do have this little crystal bowl full of hand sanitizers, which is making me very happy. I feel like I need to buy more though. But yeah. And also this is so cute. I fixed this the other day. One of the mushrooms fell off. But this is a really cute container also. I think I'm gonna put some books here, maybe some plants as well. And yeah. Okay, I'm still not done with the room, but I cleared it out a little bit. And I made like a little area right here that I think is pretty fun. It kind of reminds me of like science class because I'm using my beakers for my propagation. And my Aunt Gloria gave me that plant and it came in a beaker already, which I thought was super cool. And then over here I have whatever these thingamabobs are called, and I have some gemstones in there. I have I think they're both quartz, but that one's like an amethyst one, and then that's just like a green crystal diamond looking thing. I think it's a paperweight. But I wanted to show you Mom's plants. They are growing really well. Some of them are, I think there's like 3 of them. That one, and that one that we're still waiting on, but everything else has started blooming. We literally bring these in and out every day because we think it gets too cold at nighttime for them to be outside, so then we bring them inside, but then during the day we put them out so they can get sunlight, and it's pretty warm during the day, so they're totally fine up there. Also check it out, I just found my rabbit picture. You can definitely use this as a vase as well, but I love the design of it. There's also a gold rabbit handle, and this is actually Anthropologie. I thrifted this months ago. Yeah, sometime last year, like mid last year I think. And now it's finally time to take it out. I don't exactly know where to put it yet. Just gonna leave it there for now till I figure it out. But really like that picture. Hey guys, it's many hours later, but I just got my Pura order in the mail and I wanted to open up with you guys. I thought I ordered 4, but I only got 3, so let's open. What happened, but I only got 1 of my pink peony and silk, which is kind of bumming me out. But I guess I can just order another one. I have like an extra scent anyway that I can use in the meantime, but I'm really excited to smell this apple orchard. But I love my Pura so much, and I have a discount code for you. I'm gonna have it blinking on the screen. I don't remember what it is, and I'll have it linked down below in the description box as well. If you want to get any of the Pura devices or any of these, I think it's 15% off. But yeah, I'll have it linked. I love my Pura so much. They're so good. I have 3 of them in the house. Alright, you guys, I just wanted to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. It was a blast. We got so much stuff done around the house, so I'm very excited about it. We were able to clean up a lot of stuff, clean and like redo a lot of stuff in like the library and the entryway, and man, I had to put away a lot of food today. But all in all, it was an amazing day. Hope you guys had fun. I know it was like a boring day around the house, but that's what we did today. But tomorrow we're definitely gonna go thrifting, which I'm very excited about. So don't forget to tune in tomorrow for thrifting. And I'm also updating the store with a ton of new stuff, so go check it out. It's Hadrian.com, and I'm also gonna have some items in there discounted. I don't know how much I'm gonna discount it. It's gonna be between 20 to 50%, but they're gonna be the yellow tag items, so everything will already be all the items that I'm discounting will already be discounted. So if it has a yellow tag, then it's discounted, and you can just go ahead and purchase. But it's just, there's no like actual like sale. It's just, I'm just discounting some items for you guys in the shop. Again, it's Hadrian.com. I love you guys immensely. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Okay, not spotting anything yet in the handbags. We'll see. The store's always a hit or miss. I either find like really great bags or I find nothing. Because the people that go to this store are like really good at thrifting. And they just like know what's up with the bags. Oh my gosh, how funny. This looks like a Philip Lim.